Listen, candidates want to feel chosen, not hired. They want to feel chosen. They want to feel like you hand selected them, right? Don't just hire people. Change your vernacular, change your verbiage, change everything you're doing, because right now what you're doing is what everybody else is doing. And that's average. It's mediocre. It's amateur level. Go to a pro level. Go to a 1%er level. When you hire, sow everything you have into that person. Here's the deal. You're going to get burned. Not everybody's going to work out. Not everybody's going to buy in. Welcome to owning a business. Who told you that everyone should just believe in everything you tell them? That's not true. Who told you that every single person you hire should do exactly what you want them to do? Who told you that? You want the easy way. You want the weak way. You want things to be laid up to you. That's not how it is. Put everything you have into a person when you hire them. Give them 100% of you. Create an experience like no other. Make them feel chosen. The return on investment of your time, it's priceless.